Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start your PC without the power on switch or cabinet, just with a simple trick. All you need is a screwdriver and you need to locate these pins on your motherboard. They can be easily found. They are color coded in every motherboard. So attached to the monitor, there's no display right now. It's turned off. And you need to short these red pins with a screwdriver. Just watch. It's turned on. There's the display. So it's turned on, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.